Welcome to InvestoSphere, your go-to source for powerful financial knowledge and online income strategies tailored for a motivated, forward-thinking audience. If you've ever wondered how people make money buying and selling digital real estate, yes, we're talking about domain names, then this video is for you. In this ultimate guide, we're going to dive deep into the world of domain flipping and show you how to turn a small investment into substantial income in 2025. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real opportunity backed by digital trends, market demand, and business strategy. Whether you're a college student, a working professional, or someone simply looking to make money online, learning how to flip domains can open doors to a powerful passive income stream. So grab a notepad, because this is going to be packed with insights, tools, strategies, and action steps you won't want to miss. Number 1, what is domain flipping? Let's start with the basics. Domain flipping is the practice of buying domain names at a low price and selling them at a higher price, just like flipping houses or products. Think of domain names as digital real estate. You're investing in digital property that can increase in value based on market trends, business demand, or keyword relevance. A great domain can sell for hundreds, thousands, or even millions of dollars. But you don't need to be a tech genius or have a lot of money to get started. All you need is strategy, patience, and market awareness. Number 2, why domain flipping works in 2025. The digital economy is stronger than ever. Every business, brand, and influencer wants a strong online presence, and the foundation of that presence is a great domain name. In 2025, the demand for short, memorable, keyword-rich domain names is higher than ever. With the growth of AI startups, solopreneurs, e-commerce brands, and influencers, domain flipping has become more relevant and more profitable. What's exciting is that new domain extensions like .ai, app, .co, .store, and .io are booming. And there are still untapped opportunities to grab names in these spaces before they skyrocket in value. Number 3, how to get started with domain flipping. Research and education. Spend time understanding what makes a domain valuable. Things like brandability, keyword relevance, short length, and memorability. Domain registrars. Use platforms like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, and Dynadot to search for and purchase domains. Keyword tools. Use tools like Google Trends, Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, and SEMrush to find trending topics, profitable niches, and high-volume keywords. Start small. Buy a few domains to test the waters. Focus on niches you understand. Track trends. Stay ahead by following tech news, business trends, startup launches, and social media movements. Number 4, what makes a domain valuable? Short and memorable. Shorter domains are easier to remember and brand. Keyword-rich. Domains that include high-volume keywords are more attractive for SEO. Brandable. Easy to spell, unique, and catchy. Age of the domain. Older domains can have higher authority and trust. Domain extension. .com is king, but .io, AI, and others are gaining popularity. Number 5, where to sell your domains. Marketplaces. Cedo, Flippa, GoDaddy Auctions, Namecheap Marketplace, Afternic. Direct outreach. Reach out to businesses or individuals who may want the domain. Landing pages. Set up a basic web page that says the domain is for sale. Broker services. Hire domain brokers if you have a high-value domain and want to reach serious buyers. Number 6, pricing strategies. Don't overprice. Research similar domain sales using NameBio and DN Journal. Use tier pricing. For example, sell .coms at a premium and newer extensions slightly lower. Factor in holding costs. Domain renewals can eat into profits if you hold too long. Number 7, tools you'll need. Domain research tools. NameMesh, Lean Domain Search. WHOS lookup tools. Portfolio managers like FD. SEO research tools for keywords. Email finders for outreach. Number 8, legal and ethical considerations. Avoid trademark terms. Buying trademark names can lead to legal trouble. Respect copyright and avoid typo squatting. Use reputable registrars and protect your domain with privacy settings. Number 9, scaling your domain flipping business. Once you understand the game and make your first few sales, it's time to scale. Build a large domain portfolio across niches. Automate with domain monitoring tools. Use expired domain marketplaces to find aged domains. Create a brand around your flipping business. Number 10, mistakes to avoid. Buying domains without research. Overpaying for a trendy name that won't age well. Holding domains too long without trying to sell. Not setting up sales pages. Ignoring legal red flags. Future of domain flipping. With the rise of digital businesses, AI startups, and personal branding, the demand for premium domains will continue to grow. The future is bright if you learn to think ahead. Thanks for watching this detailed guide on how to make money flipping domains in 2025. We hope you found it informative, practical, and inspiring. If you're serious about building a real online income stream, this could be a game changer for you. Make sure to like this video if you got value from it. Comment below and share your thoughts, or tell us if you've ever bought or sold a domain before. We love hearing your stories. And don't forget to subscribe to InvestoSphere for more deep dive financial guides, online income strategies, and real business ideas that work in a modern world. Final question for you. Have you ever searched for a domain name and found it already taken, only to wish later you had bought it? What do you think makes a domain truly valuable in today's digital economy?